Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you amazing remedy to grow thick and thicken your eyebrows and eyelashes. And this magical remedy works for everyone, guys. It doesn't have any side effects and it's super effective. The first thing we will need to prepare that remedy, we need coconut oil. And coconut oil is very effective in growing long and thickened eyelashes naturally. We need to add 2 teaspoons in a clean mixing bowl like so. Then, my friends, we need cloves, and that's it. That's the cloves we need, and we need to grind it fine to a fine powder in order to use it in that remedy. So grind fine the ground the cloves like so, my friends, and add it to the remedy. And then, my friends, we need coffee or Nescafe, and this will enhance the effect of the cloves, and it's going to, with its caffeine content, it's going to grow your eyelashes very fast. Now mix the ingredients very well. Once we mix it all very well like so, it's ready to use. With an 1/8 of cotton ball or Q-tip, my friends, dip it in and apply it on your eyelashes and eyebrows like so, and leave it overnight, guys. Don't wash it, leave it overnight, and in the next morning you will notice a great results. In 3 days after using that remedy, you will get long and thickened eyelashes and eyebrows naturally, guys. And be careful, don't put it in your eyes directly. Although it's all natural, it doesn't cause any kind of eye irritation or anything. This is all natural, and it's not going to harm or irritate the eyes, because it doesn't contain ginger or anything that's irritating the eye. So, my friends, use it every night before sleep, and the result will amaze you.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.